Okay, so we're gonna set up the curtains now. There are 3 curtain rods. We have 2 windows. One window we actually have 2 curtain rods on. So the first curtain rod that you're gonna grab is going to be for over the cabinet here. One end of the curtain rod is skinnier than the other. So put this skinny rod in first. You're just gonna set it down into that hook, pull one of the grommets to the right of this thing here, I don't know what that is, and then one on the left. So it's just gonna kind of straddle that. You're gonna have to push in and lower down, twisting as you go to get it in this side. So you have blackout curtains on this side. Now the other short curtain rod goes over the galley, and it's gonna be the same thing. You're gonna put the skinny end in here first. One grommet to the right, one grommet to the left, and then just spin the pole down into this hook. And now you've got your other blackout curtain over the galley. I tuck this curtain behind the counter. And the last curtain rod is the long one that goes over the dinette. So one side, this one actually has a hole in this side. That way you can put that hole over this hook, or insert that hook into the hole. And that'll make sure that there's not a gap whenever you close the curtains. Otherwise there'd be a gap right there. Then you're gonna come down to this end. And at this point, perhaps this AC will already be plugged in for you, but you will spin it in to this hook back here. And you can still, there's no grommets on this one, but it is kind of tight to pull it there. So just be aware. Now you have all of your blackout curtains up. All done.